Students, in this part, we will discuss the summary of the poem My Mother at 66. This poem is written by Kamala Das, and the poet has experienced the condition what she has described in this poem. Once, the poet is traveling to Cochin airport with her mother in a car, and she describes all the incidents what had happened with her and her mother during the journey to the airport. The poet is traveling to the airport, and because of the separation, the mother is sad, desperate. She is not ready to leave her daughter to go, but the poet has to move, so she is sitting with her mother with a stone-hearted. Poet's mother is 66-year-old. She is dozing with open mouth because they are traveling in the early morning. So the mother is dozing with open mouth. Mother's face is saddened and looks like corpse with extreme pain of separation. Mother is not ready to give up, and she is trying to stop her daughter, but she is not saying anything. Poet looks outside of the window to hide, to control, and to divert her emotion, because she is also sad to see the helpless nature of the mother. When she looks outside of the window, she sees the trees are sprinting and the children are playing outside of their home. When the poet and mother reach at the dismissal point of the airport, the poet observes the childhood fear from the face of her mother. She compares her mother's face with the late winter's moon, because winter's moons are naturally looks very sad and pale before the morning. She controls her emotion, means poet controls her emotion, because if she does not control, then mother, she will not be able to move from that place. She controls her emotion, but she has to say the parting words, and she says the parting words, "See you soon, Amma," means she reassures her mother that she will meet soon. The poet smiles with lots of effort, because the condition of the mother, the painful condition of the mother, is unbearable for her. And here the poem ends. So this is enough for the summary. I'm telling you that you will read the poem line by line, word by word, and try to find your own summary. Okay, so this is my homework. Write down a summary of this poem of your own words. Okay, bye.